Futures are pacing out an early warm-up set. S&P 500 up 0.12%, Nasdaq up 0.13%, and the Dow up 0.10%. Call it an activation round, tight form, no overexertion after Tuesday tech pullback and value surge. The market's catching its breath mid-cycle. Asia was mixed. Nikkei dropped 0.56%, Hang Seng lifted 0.62%, and Shanghai inched down 0.9%. Europe is pushing higher. FTSE up 0.19%, DAX up 0.3%, and the CAC is up 0.9%. Asset class flex, the 10-year yield up 4 basis points to 4.28%. Crude oil up 0.28%, and gold is down 0.15%. The dollar is stronger versus the yen, but softer versus the euro pound. This is your market superset. Here's what's moving the weight. Trade tensions are still high. Trump says there's no extension on the July 9th tariff deadline. Japan deal looks unlikely at this point, and India may be the only partner we got close to finishing a set. Congress pushing hard. The one big beautiful bill cleared the Senate. Now it's in the House's hands. Fed and central banks. Powell's tone stayed neutral. Patience remains the mantra. ECB and BOE. The ECB and the Bank of England also cooling their pace. Quad Critical Minerals Initiative. The U.S. just launched a multi-country alliance to lock down the materials needed for batteries, semiconductors, and defense tech. We basically secured our protein powder supply. China controls rare earths, and this is how we keep lifting without hitting a supply chain plateau. Today's economic lifting schedule. Here's the full set list. 7 a.m. Eastern Time, MBA mortgage applications. 7:30, Challenger job cuts. 8:15, ADP private payrolls. This one moves markets. 10:30, DOE crude inventories. All of this sets up the heavy lift on Thursday. Non-farm payrolls drop before the long weekend. And just a reminder, markets are closed Friday, July 4th for Independence Day. So today and tomorrow, this is our last working set before the deload. What this means for your portfolio. Rotation is real. The Mag 7 just took a pull day. I'm watching industrials and materials. They're looking ready if tariffs ease. Gold's on pause, not pumping, but it could be a setup for a breakout if volatility hits. Short duration fixed income, still the most athletic hold, low risk, high agility. Tech is resting in between sets. It's not bearish, just recovery mode. I think we're still in an uptrend, but every rep counts. So don't ego trade this rally. Stay in control, stay disciplined, talk to your advisors, stay focused, stay profitable. I'll see you at the close. God bless.